Hello, welcome to another international theme park. We are here in Enchanted Kingdom. We've been to Tokyo Disneyland, Tokyo Disney Sea, Universal Studios Japan, and Nagashima. Now this is my fifth theme park, the Enchanted Kingdom. You can see their newest ride, Twin Spin. Roller coaster. It's a mock spinning coaster. So this is their newest addition yet, and I want to ride this first. So we'll see what we'll do. We just made it in the park. Wow, it's like Disneyland almost. The carousel up front, the waterfall. It kind of reminds me of Disneyland. It's looks a little different, but it's almost the same as Disneyland. Look at the landscaping. Carousel up in front. There's the twin spin over there. It looks different, but it's like almost like Disneyland feel. Although this side doesn't really feel like Disney. It feels more like Six Flags. But there's a twin spin, and we're about to hop on the ride. It's the same color as Riddler's Revenge at Magic Mountain. We're gonna ride it next. There goes the magic disc. It's their disco ride. It's not a roller coaster. This one is a spinning roller coaster by Mock Ride, so we'll hop on this ride next. So, I just got off Twin Spin. Here's my new favorite roller coaster. My new favorite roller coaster here. You get absolute airtime. You get some airtime. You get like whipped around those turns. And it's a really cool ride. It's the newest roller coaster here at the park. I enjoyed it so much. But the only thing is it's a short ride. So we're here in the other section of the park. It feels like kind of like Universal, but it's more like Disneyland. It's like Disneyland of the Philippines, so except they have bigger rides. So this is just like a Disneyland like version of the Philippines, but they call it Enchanted Kingdom. So this is just like, you know, you're in Disneyland. Feels like Disneyland, right? Yeah, it does. Okay, so we're gonna try to go on the go-karts. That's how we're gonna be our next ride. We're just like sipping some drinks, Ruby Shake, and some of my cousins got a vanilla shake. So we're just chilling, and we're gonna head on to the go-karts. The go-karts was fun. Well, I got a bruise, but it was fun. It's like Mario Kart. Felt like a Mario Kart. It was fun. I think we're gonna go on this one next, Space Shuttle. A few seconds later, it starts pouring rain in the theme park. I've never experienced a theme park in the rain. The first time it's sprinkling out here. So this is where we're gonna go on next, roller skater. We're not actually going to Space Shuttle today, so because it's raining. So this is our next ride. Right, it's raining. It was insane. I got a first rain ride on roller skater here in Enchanted Kingdom. It was crazy. It was like thumbtacks just going into your head. Alright, so we are on our way to riding Space Shuttle, the Vekoma Boomerang. So I don't need to review this ride, but we're gonna go on it. We're gonna go on this jungle log jam. We changed our minds. We're not going to Space Shuttle yet. So we're in jungle logjam right now. This is from what I've been told, this is like a Splash Mountain of the Philippines. It's like a Disneyland of the Philippines, except with no theming. But we're gonna be hopping on right now. So we came off from the log flume here. the jungle log jam. It is like what I said, it's like a Splash Mountain of Philippines. But according to what I heard from guests, it's like they're trying to improve Enchanted Kingdom, like adding bigger roller coasters. Yeah. So they're trying to like make it better so they can make people come in. So that's a good job. That's a good job for them. Alright, so I'm not sure what the River Rapids ride is called, but we're gonna ride that one I think first. So we're gonna head on to the River Rapids ride. And look what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a raincoat because, like what I said, it was raining earlier after we rode roller skaters, so it's the same ride. So that was my first rain ride. So look at me and even my toes. Like, look, I'm wearing a dress. So looks like we're riding the Rio Grande Rapids. The Rio Grande Rapids. So we'll head on over there now. Earlier we got off the Rio Grande Rapids, the River Rapids ride. So it's a traditional river rapids. There's no like drops or anything. It's just your standard river rapids, just like what you see in, you know, like roaring rapids, just like Magic Mountain. Pretty much the same thing. So. So also we got off the space shuttle, the last ride of the day. As you can tell, it's still pouring rain. It is really raining outside, so yeah. So this is the Enchanted Kingdom's park map, and they do have park maps here. I don't know why Tokyo Disneyland doesn't have one. Disney Sea do have one, because my dad had one for some reason. Actually the map looks like that. I just didn't want to open it because I didn't want mine to get wet, so. But we did get a park map, see, but other parks, most of them, they don't have anymore, so at least this park is still lucky. Yeah. So we're gonna wrap it up for today at Enchanted Kingdom. We had fun today. The rides were kind of fun, even though they're kind of like kiddie and stuff. It's not that intense, but it's still pretty fun, and I enjoyed my day here. So I hope you enjoyed. See you guys in the next vlog. Peace.